Welcome back to the Tracy Trendy Show, my lovelies. It's another day, it's another dollar, and guess what? It's another slammer. Oh my goodness, Courtney has been arrested after 3 months of being a mother. Yes, after giving birth. My loves, Courtney. I'm talking about Will's ex-wife, the one who gave him hell. My love, welcome back to my channel. If you thought this drama was going to stop when the camera stopped rolling on Love After Lockup, oh, you, my sweet summer love, sit down, grab your popcorn, because we have some absolute chaos to bring to you today. Now, according to starcasm.net, check out the website, it's .net. Loves, Courtney was booked earlier today. That means Friday, June 26th to 26th. Okay. The charge is a parole violation hold. Now, no details are given. Everything is super locked down. So it's still unclear of what exactly triggered this alleged violation. But as soon as the paperwork drops, I'll be the first to tell you. But in the meantime, inquiring minds are going to wonder, did she go back on that book of sugar? I'm just wondering. Most likely, but all things are alleged, loves. All things are alleged. But wait, it gets wilder. The rest comes roughly 3 months after she gives birth to a beautiful baby boy. And here's where the plot thickens. If you looked at this little guy, the internet is already losing their minds because honestly, the baby looks exactly like her ex-husband Will. But I mean, seriously, the resemblance is wild. But according to Courtney, the father is not Will. Nope. She moved right along to a man named CJ. I did videos with her all booed up. And well, let me see. She started dating this man pretty much immediately after breaking things off with Will. Now, if you're wondering what kind of guy is this CJ, well, he has some coins. That's why she was sticking around. Courtney loves a man with coins. But CJ is doing his own legal business, okay? Because last year he was sentenced to more than 7 years in federal prison for felony candy possession. So talk about having a type, right? 7 years, and that's some fed time. You're gonna do most of that. And I want you guys to remember the infamous video I made about the baby shower, where CJ allegedly, well, he didn't, not allegedly, he caught her. Well, he thought he caught her, doing some stuff. She had some stuff in her purse at the baby shower. And when she gave birth, he wasn't around because he was locked up. But he supports her. But he doesn't trust her with money. That's CJ. Now, isn't that some crazy stuff? Now, both mama and daddy are now in the pokey. The man is up the creek doing federal time. And I tried to look, and it didn't seem like she was in the pokey. So maybe she got bailed out, but she was arrested. And maybe she got out a few hours later. But I couldn't find anything that stated that she was currently still in the pokey. I hope she's not, because who's going to be watching that baby? Her mother can't be burdened with all of that. I mean, seriously. But anyway, anyhow, she was arrested. The dad's in the pokey. And apparently, Courtney can't keep her nose clean. And I'm thinking it's because, the booger sugar. I'm just saying. I'm just allegedly thinking that. So anyway, my loves, I want you to drop your thoughts in the comments below because we got to share this. Do you guys think that baby looks like Will? I mean, the timeline was pretty close. And I want to know what you guys make of this whole situation. What do you make of this whole situation? Do you think is it possible it could be Will's? I mean, the timeline is pretty close. But in the meantime, I need you guys to not forget to smash the like button. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, because you're not going to get this commentary anywhere else. You need to hit the notification bell, hype as well. And, you're never going to miss this tea. So, yeah, I'm going to see you next time. And in the meantime, in between time, Love, peace, and happiness, my loves.